Hi guys, my name is Emmanuel. Right about now, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how you can get any software you can imagine right to your PC, just like this. All right, so just go to www.getintopc.com and then search for it. Now come to this search button and search for whatsoever app you want to search for, whatsoever application you want to search for. For the sake of this tutorial, we're searching for Capture One 2022. Alright, so the next you want to do, you want to click on Go and search for it. Yeah, as you can see, here is Capture One 22, uploaded a month ago. So just click on it to download. You see your system compatibility. You can see compatibility mechanical, 32-bit and 64-bit. This can work with both 32-bit system and also 64-bit system. Okay, so if you want to check on how to install, you can also click on this, how to install the software. Then you see a video guiding to that. But presently, I'm just going to click on the download, and here also is the password. So automatically, Capture One 22 will download right about here. So we have like 459 MB. Okay, I'm just going to fast track this tutorial so that you will not stay here all through the time download. So hold on until the download is finished. Okay, now our Capture One 2022 is ready. So just click on this arrow and say show folder. You can get here to this drop. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to drag this to my desktop, and I will right click and say extract to get into PC from Capture One 2022. So the password that I tell you the last time is 123. Just input it, and then voila, it will extract for you. So then locate the folder where we have Capture One 2022. Get into PC. I think there we go. So now just gonna double click and look out for the setup. And then when you are installing this, make sure you have the data. So disconnect your data and make sure you disconnect your data, then right click, then run as administrator. Okay, so click OK. So I can now start importing this and click next. Now we are installing our Capture One 2022. So the next thing we want to open the crack, copy this guy here, Ctrl C to copy, or just right click and say copy patch. Because we have copied it. Once you have copied like that, you want to go to your C drive, program file, and come to Capture One here. We have Capture One 21 before, that's what I used before, but now we have Capture One 22. So what you want to do is to just paste this patch in here to replace what is here before by pressing Ctrl V on your keyboard. Alright, then click on replace, then to press for administrative permission, then yes, it's going to go right now. So right about now, you can now go ahead and launch your Capture One from your start menu bar. This Capture One 22. So just launch it without paying the time. You have your Capture One 22. So okay, click on OK. So and our Capture One will load. So so now by so doing, I just upgraded from Capture One 21 to 22 now. So all my pictures that I have in it will be uploaded to Capture One 22 like so. So guys, this is how to get any applications on your PC without laying it down. All you need is your data. Thank you. Nice. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If this tutorial has benefited you in one way or the other, just do well to give a thumbs up and also on the notification button so that you can get videos that are related to this, even in Photoshop and Capture One. Thank you so much.